Mark your calendars because September 9th is shaping up to be a big day in tech. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back. Apple's expected to unveil its next-gen flagship at the accurately named Awe-dropping event, and leading the charge is the iPhone 17 Pro Max, a device that could raise the bar for smartphones so high. The buzz, all for the massive upgrades it's gonna have. Firstly, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is rumored to pack Apple's beastly new A19 Pro chip, promising a major leap in performance. Think lightning-fast gaming, ultra-smooth multitasking, and smarter AI integration. This chip could turn your phone into a pocket-sized powerhouse. But the real scene stealer might be the camera. Whispers point to an upgraded system featuring a 48-megapixel telephoto lens with 8x zoom and a selfie camera, jumping from 12 megapixel to 24 megapixel. Whether you're a casual snapper or a full-blown content creator, this phone could be your new best friend. And Apple's not stopping there. The design's reportedly getting a bold refresh, a larger camera module, sleek body lines, and new orange and dark blue color options that are already turning heads online. As for the price, the 256GB version is expected to start at $1,249, keeping it in Apple's premium league. But with specs like these, fans may find it worth every cent. If even half of these rumors are true, the iPhone 17 Pro Max won't just be a phone, it'll be a statement with a blazing A19 Pro chip, major camera upgrades, bold new colors, and a premium design. This could be Apple's most impressive phone yet. Are you excited for the Apple's upcoming event? Then let us know in the comments. Like the video and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.